Just take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Good morning! Ingay ng kapitbahay namin. I'm sharing with you some of my morning routine and actually, this 2021 lang ito na parang medyo may changes sa morning routine natin. Kasi may na-discover ako na isang website where I can get lots of fitness and wellness inspiration. Kakapag-muni-muni, workout konti. Kasi alam niyo naman ako, bihira lang akong mag-workout. And hindi ko talaga nakikita yung motivation. But this 2021, I am so happy that I found this website. So this is the website that I am talking about. This is the GoWell.com.ph. Dito sa kanilang website, you can see GoWell Studio. You have to click that and tada! You have to be a gold member. That's it. Nakapasok na tayo sa website ng GoWell Studio. And this time, this is what I'm talking about. May mga video archives na makikita natin dito from fitness, mind, and may mga masterclass. Diba? This is just very quick workout, quick na mga meditation na gagawin mo, whatever you want to do. So, for me, I'd like to go to the mind videos. And this is it. So, let's try this 30-minute sound healing by Yeyet San Luis. But before that, let me tour you to the fitness videos. And for the masterclass, there is also this one video, Healthy Cooking in Your Own Kitchen. Actually, I saw this during the launch. Kung gusto mo ng mga healthy options na mga recipes, you can find it here. For today, let us try this 30-minute sound healing habang tulog pa si Yana. Hello, I'm Yeyet San Luis and I'm a sound healing practitioner. And today I'm going to guide you to a sound bath meditation with the intention of sending love to ourselves. So you may wish to sit down or lie down for this time. But if you sit down, make sure your spine is straight. And if you lie down, you may lie down on your mats. You may put a pillow under your head or under your knees. Hands on your sides and feet not crossed. And when you're ready, you may close your eyes. So just
Just take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Thank you.
So, there you go. Natapos na ang 30-minute na sound healing. We are now ready for the day.